Understanding Matchplay Darts, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, Matchplay Darts. This is not just about a game, but also about learning how specific terms can have specific meanings in English. Let's dive in and understand what Matchplay Darts really means. First, let's break down the phrase. Matchplay refers to a format of scoring in various sports and games, not just darts. In matchplay, the game is divided into individual units called matches, holes, or legs, depending on the sport. The player or team that wins the most of these units wins the game. This format is different from stroke play or set play, where the total score or sets won determines the winner. Now, let's talk about darts. Darts is a sport in which small missiles, or darts, are thrown at a circular target, known as a dartboard. The game's objective is to hit specific areas of the board to score points. The skill lies in accuracy and precision. When we combine the two, Matchplay Darts refers to a darts game where players compete in matches, each consisting of a set number of legs. The winner of each leg is the one who reaches a score of 0 first, by reducing their score from a set starting number, typically 501 or 301, through specific scoring rules. What makes Matchplay Darts unique is its strategic aspect. Players must not only be skilled in scoring but also in planning and strategizing each throw to outscore their opponent and win the leg. It's a blend of skill, strategy, and mental toughness. And there you have it. Matchplay Darts is not just a game, but a fascinating example of how English phrases can be specific to certain activities. We hope this video has been insightful and helpful in understanding this term. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next English language learning adventure.